Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to make a batch of napalm. So we've got our diesel fuel, gasoline, our napalm mix, and a small mixing container and some rubbing alcohol. For this batch we're going to do about a gallon's worth. We'll do 1 part gasoline, 3 parts diesel, cook maybe a quarter gallon of gasoline, and then 3/4 gallon of diesel. Since we want to make this pretty thick, we're going to do 3 scoops of our napalm powder, and then we'll dissolve it in the rubbing alcohol. And then we'll shake it up to make sure that powder's pretty much fully dissolved. Alright, for the last step we'll stir in that dissolved napalm powder. Alright, after a minute of stirring, this is what you're left with. Super thick goo. To give you an idea of how thick it really is, you can kind of grab it with your hand. Pour a little bit out. Alright, we loaded up some more napalm into our XL18 Flamethrower. We got a brush pile behind us. We're going to see what we can do.
That's hot as